Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, I'm Korean Star of Ryzen United Agency, and I will be auditioning here at Yumi Live, and I will be singing a song entitled Just Once by James Ingram. Okay, guys, here we go. Enjoy. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Cause here we are, back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. Back we're being strangers, wondering if we'd have to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to find and make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, no, we could break through it. Okay, thank you guys. By the way, you can download the Yumi app application. Just visit Google Play Store for Android, and even you can download it on iOS. Just visit the App Store and search for Yumi Live. Okay guys, thank you and good night.